Makiaria hindi ya gwikira thairi ngirimiti ino atongoria na anyiti itemi sekta-ini ya mai maugite tabarira ino igukuruhania utambia wa mai gwakwo gwa ceceni ya gutheria mai ya kilomita 30 iria igutambiria aikari a matu na matura maria marigiceirie mai matheru.
Project ino ni ya muigana wa milioni 850 na ino finance to ni thirikari nene national government hamwe na fegi ya African Development Bank. Ino project ni guteithia makiria ma andu 60,000 area cia Matu, Kitui na Makueni tauni-ini ya wote.
Oho tabarira cia kwerekereria mai ma giko mwena wa Kitui ni ikwararamio guku ithima na ndaburi cia mai ma muingi igicimbwo niguo gutigirira kuri na mai matheru matura-ini maria magumagirwo ni umu.
Then we shall also be extending sewerage infrastructure in Kitui urban area and also some improvements of water supply in water town to ensure that the two county headquarters have improved sanitation and water services for water.
Tabarira ino irigirirwo gukinyira aikari matanyihiire 60,000 na oho kwarahura matura ma guku kiwonjoria.
It will ensure that one, there's consistency in the school attendance, because some schools in those specific area sometimes they close school because of lack of water. Communities, of course, we want now to reduce the distance to water to at least a minimum of 2 kilometers. And this mega bulk water supply to those communities will ensure that there is a sustainable socio-economic development within the ASAL counties, mainly Kitui, Machakos, Makueni and Kajiado.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Kajiado getwo Wacuka wa Kiarie.